Hidden in the annals of time lies a truth, vast and profound, the law of karma, an invisible force steering our very existence. You're not here by accident. Have you ever pondered the essence of karma and how it subtly weaves the fabric of your life? Think about the countless decisions you make. Can you see how they might be the brushstrokes on the canvas of your future? Imagine the power you hold, knowing that with each choice, you're sculpting your destiny. The consideration alone is both thrilling and sobering. Now ponder on this. Each neglected opportunity for growth might be a lost treasure, forever altering the unseen richness of your journey. A single pebble dropped into water creates ripples that travel farther than the eye can see, much like the choices you make every day. Each decision, whether minor or monumental, sends out waves that extend to distant shores of your reality. It's not always clear how today's actions will shape tomorrow, but rest assured they do. Let me tell you about Alex, a character not unlike yourself. Alex lived a routine life short on excitement, but stable. One morning, on his way to work, Alex encountered a beggar. Pressed for time, Alex considered walking by, but something nudged him to stop and offer his help. This decision, seemingly trivial, set off a chain of events that stretched beyond Alex's immediate view. Days turned into weeks, and as the rhythm of Alex's life played on, that moment with the beggar settled into the background, a forgotten note in his life's symphony. Unbeknownst to him, the beggar was actually a local artist, inspired by Alex's generosity to create a masterpiece that breathed hope into the community. The masterpiece flourished, drawing attention from locals and visitors alike, and the ripples of Alex's simple act of kindness returned as waves of prosperity and artistry, reshaping the landscape of his neighborhood. Local businesses thrived, social connections strengthened, and the once ignored street corners buzzed with newfound energy. Months later, an unexpected opportunity knocked at Alex's door, inviting him to collaborate on a project that sought to invigorate city spaces. The project? It was spearheaded by those who had witnessed the transformation fueled by that very same masterpiece. And to think, it all began with a seemingly insignificant choice to extend a hand. As we traverse your path, it becomes clear that the consequences of your actions are not for you to decide or predict. They simply unfold. Whether your choices bear fruit immediately or lie dormant, only to surface in unexpected ways, they are yours, etched into the fabric of the universe. You might spend nights pondering the what-ifs and could-haves, but it's the stone already cast into life's still waters that defines the morrow. Recall the warning that ignorance is a landscape where the future withers unseen. Allowing life's garden to grow untended is a silent forfeiture of the greatness that could be sculpted from every choice, every moment. The truth is, you are not a mere spectator in this cosmic spectacle. You are its director, its hero, and the choices you make are your legacy, rippling through the ethereal vastness of karma's boundless pond. Do you ever feel like the protagonist of your own story, navigating a maze of decisions, unsure of the right turn? There's no guidebook, no flashing signs, just you and the path you carve with the choices you make. I remember reaching a crossroad in my life, one that demanded a verdict. Should I take the high-paying job that guaranteed comfort but promised little in terms of personal fulfillment, or should I venture into the unknown, following my passion with no safety net? The decision seemed overwhelming, a solitary echo in the silence of my future. Instead of succumbing to the lure of immediate comfort, I summoned the courage to embrace my passion. It felt like stepping off the edge of a cliff, not knowing if I would soar or plummet. The ensuing journey was fraught with challenges. The initial rewards were few, and doubt was my frequent companion. Yet, the inner call to pursue what set my spirit ablaze could not be ignored. With each setback, I learned more about myself than any secure job could teach. With every small victory, my resolve strengthened. It was as though each choice was a note played in the grand opus of life, some harmonious, others discordant. All the while, the unseen web of karma echoed my resolve, adjusting the threads of reality around me. In the tapestry of life, it's not the individual threads that stand out. Rather, it's the collective pattern they create. As I wove my thread with intention, it entangled with others. Mentors who imparted wisdom, peers who shared their own melodies, and opportunities that seemed to appear as if by serendipity, but were really the fruits of a steadfast heart and the ripples of choices well made. The clarity emerged as I stood before the canvas of my life, with colours mixed from the palette of my decisions. To live authentically, was to shape a destiny that resonates with the core of who I am. In this journey, fear of regret became a spectre of the past, replaced by the power of aligning actions with my deepest values. Now, as you stand in the quietude of decision's threshold, remember that each choice is a silent conversation with your future self. The absence of conscious choice is a retreat into obscurity, distancing yourself from the life that could unfold with the power of deliberation and courage. This realization is the map you hold. It shows no destinations, only the potential routes that your decisions can manifest. It is a guiding star in the cosmic journey, and you, the voyager, must chart the course. You've seen it, haven't you? The reflection of your deepest self, staring back at you from the choices you've made. A reflection rippling out into the world and bouncing back in forms you could never have anticipated. It's not just your actions that send out these ripples, your intentions and attitudes do too. They're the seeds you plant in the soil of your existence, whose fruits will eventually ripen and fall into your own hands. Think of a time when self-interest might have tinted your vision, reducing the world to a single shade, one where your gains eclipsed all else. It's tempting to fall into this trap, to allow the allure of immediate gratification to skew the bigger picture. Yet when this happens, karma doesn't simply take note, it actively responds, mirroring back the dissonance between selfish gains and the collective harmony. As such, I once knew a successful businessman, revered for his achievements and feared for his ruthlessness. Outwardly, he was the epitome of success. Inwardly, he grappled with an ever-expanding void. His ambition propelled him forward, but sideways glances in the mirror of karma reflected a different story. Relationships withered, communities felt the strain, and the environment bore silent witness to exploitation. His legacy was immense, yet it stood on a fragile foundation, a testament to the consequences of disconnected, self-serving choices. This is where you find the crux of your own narrative, not only in your explicit deeds, but in the intrinsic values that drive them. The outward journey you take is mirrored by an inward one, where the exploration of your motivations aligns with the larger impact of your existence. The realization hits home. True success, the one that aligns with the natural order and the betterment of all, isn't just about the milestones you achieve, it's also about the footprints you leave behind. In the end, it's not the size of your ambitions, but the breadth of your compassion and the depth of your ethical integrity that enrich the karmic legacy you craft. It's the understanding that your attitudes, be they selfish or altruistic, exploitative or nurturing, are not mere abstract concepts, but tangible forces shaping the lives around you and ultimately the life you lead. As you stand before karma's mirror, the question isn't just what you see, but what you will do about it. Will your reflection be one that contributes to the world's cacophony, or will it resonate with the symphony of life's interconnectedness? Your answers to these questions don't merely echo in the cosmos, they resound in the life you're creating moment by mindful moment. Life's genuine essence transcends random events. It's a saga of evolution, a discreetly orchestrated process of growth and understanding, with you as the protagonist. Each chapter unfolds a meticulous calibration between your past experiences and current choices, constructing the way forward. These experiences aren't mere occurrences. They're lessons, ingrained in the very soul of who you are and who you will become. Imagine yourself as the keeper of an invisible ledger where each of your actions, acknowledged or not, contributes to an ever-growing account of wisdom. This isn't the wisdom of textbooks, it's the wisdom of life, raw, unfiltered, and deeply personal. Look back and you will find that challenges, the so-called antagonists of your journey, are indeed mentors in disguise, pushing you towards realms you might have never dared to explore. During my own journey, I've come to realize that every setback was a detour leading to a path rich with knowledge. I once faced a predicament that jeopardized my career, wherein the outcome seemed to hinge upon sheer chance, or so I thought. But here's the thing about chance. It is but karma's shadow, a mirage disguising the power our past choices have in shaping our future. As the story progressed, those random events revealed themselves to be interlaced patterns, meticulously weaved from my previous decisions, both good and bad. Each setback was a lesson, and with each lesson absorbed, the perceived randomness dissipated, replaced by the clear light of cause and effect. This is the textbook of life, where understanding the intricate web of karma isn't merely helpful, it's transformative. This realization doesn't dawn as a sudden epiphany, it's a gradual illumination, a sunrise that banishes the darkness of ignorance. It teaches us to recognize our actions as seeds sown in the fertile ground of karma, which in turn promises a harvest bearing fruits that echo the vitality of our choices. As you journey forward, you collect these fruits, some sweet, others bitter, but all are essential nutrients for your growth. This perpetual cycle of learning, acting, and reflecting isn't a solitary quest. It comprises the collective, a symphony in which every individual note enriches the harmony of human experience. Your actions, therefore, are not an isolated incident. They're a verse in a song that spans across the ages, influencing not only your life, but cascading onwards to touch the lives of others, near and far, now and in the future. The legacy of knowledge you accumulate isn't locked within. It radiates outwards, contributing to the collective understanding that shapes our society. Ultimately, the purpose of life emerges not as a destination, but as a journey marked by the accumulation of experience, the pursuit of understanding, the cultivation of wisdom. You stand not at the end of this journey, but somewhere along its winding road, equipped with the insight that your every action, guided by the principles of karma, has the potential to shape a life of harmony, purpose, and profound fulfillment. The lessons revealed today are ephemeral, like morning dew, unless tethered by reflection and action. What insights await just beyond your current understanding? The profound influence of karma extends beyond mere concept. It's the foundation upon which a purposeful life is built. It's time to cast the seeds of intention and nurture the garden of your destiny.